गोंयांत पर्यटक कमी आयल्यात हें खरें आसलें तरी ताका कारणांय वेगवेगळीं आसात. तातूंतलें एक म्हळ्यार गोंयचें पर्यटन मुखार व्हरपा खातीर गोंय सरकाराच्या पर्यटन खात्या कडेन जाणकारांची टीम ना. कोणूय वचून पर्यटनाचें मार्केटिंग करपाक शकना. पर्यटन वाडयतले जाल्यार मार्केटिंग करपीच मनशान तें करपाक जाय अशें TTAGचो सावयो म्हणटा. गोंयचें पर्यटन वाडोवपाच्या नदरेन कांय सुचोवणे आनी मागणे संदर्भांत श्वेतपत्रिका मुखेलमंत्र्याक दिल्ल्याची म्हायती सावयोन दिल्या.
Tourism has suffered a bit. There has been a decline in tourism. There are a number of reasons to it. In fact, today we had a meeting with the various officials from the tourism department. We are trying to rectify the decline. We are now trying to tap new markets. We are starting to work on a Chinese market, and there has been a decline in international tourism, but domestic tourism has been going on quite well.
Sir, you all have come with a white paper.
Yes, we have come out with a white paper. We have presented it to the Chief Minister. We are waiting now for the department and minister to take some action and towards improving tourism by studying the white paper. The white paper covers a lot of aspects, right up from infrastructure, marketing, branding, everything, all the problems with the industry.
You think somewhere the marketing strategy has failed?
Marketing strategy has been, there have been some faults in our marketing strategy. We have suggested to the government how it should be done. We have also spoken about travel marts, how we can work effectively as far as travel marts are concerned. So let's hope let's hope that the government responds soon.
So the opposition is making a noise that travel marts are just an excuse for the tourism minister with his family to go.
That tourism mart should be represented by marketing experts. We have been demanding that there should be a dedicated team towards marketing of Goa. And this team should not change. It should be a fixed team of officials who will go for all travel marts, who will promote Goa, and they will also need to follow up. In a hotel, you don't have the F&B manager doing sales, or do you have the sales manager doing F&B service? So there has to be a dedicated person for marketing. This is what we are insisting, and if we can do it, then we will succeed in our marketing strategy. As far as Goa is concerned, if the government considers seriously the points we raised in the white paper, I think 50% of the problems are over, and we can always improve to a certain extent. There are a lot of issues. For example, let us say like the garbage issue, the taxi issue, so many other issues are there which really do not require too much of investment, but they require only certain departments in the government need to work.